And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create dotted lines in Illustrator. Let us activate the pen tool, hold shift and then create a line. This is by default the way it looks. I've got a stroke size of 5, you might have only 1 point. You can change it over here, you can change the stroke with these functions. But we want to focus on the stroke menu, so go to window and click on stroke, or click on this icon if you've got it on your right menu. Then click on the 3 lines and show options. You can change the weight over here as well. Let me zoom in and you can see what the cap does. So these are the 3 options that you have. We want to have the rounded cap. You can change the corners as well. We don't have a corner in this specific shape. Afterwards, activate the dotted line. By default, your dash size might be different than mine. I guess when you start out, you've got a dash of, I don't know, 5 points or something, but you don't have a gap. So let me type that in. And now we have a simple line once again, so you need a gap to create gaps between the dashes, and if you have a dash size of 0, you automatically have only these rounded caps, which are circles. And you can apply that stroke, that dotted line effect to any shape. Let me create one with the pen tool. But you can see on the corners it doesn't look so good. Let me select that. And you should choose this option. He aligns dashes to the shape or the dimensions of the shape that you've created. Let us simply use the star tool. I'll hold shift to align it to 0 degrees. And now I'll select the second option once more. And you can see it automatically aligns the distance between the dashes, or the dots in this case, to the dimensions of the shape that we've drawn. And this is how you can create dotted lines in Illustrator with any shape. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.